Hi, my name's Glenn. Some people call me Cactus. Today I'm going to show you a way on how to do vlookups in Excel. I've had a few people asking me how to do vlookups and why they're good. Basically, I use them in several circumstances, but mainly to join two reports together that don't have the same information on it, but I want it all in one report. So that's the main reason why I use it. I also use it for checks to make sure there's no duplicates sometimes, or if I'm missing certain rows of data from one report to another report and things like that. But I'll just start off simple. So a VLOOKUP, basically I've got these rows or these columns here that I want to put data into. As you can see here, this is an employee report with staff ID, name, phone number, address, but I need some payroll details as well, and most of the time the payroll details come from another report. So just down here I've got the payroll report, and it's got the staff ID again, and how much they earn per year, the rate that they're on, and the hours. So if you look back here, we're looking for how much they get a year, the rate, and the hours. Okay, and it's in a different order deliberately, just so you get an understanding that it doesn't matter about the order. The only thing that we need to remember is because we're going to use this as the unique identifier on both reports, because it's on both reports, that has to be on the leftmost side of all the data that you want to get the data from. So in here, let's start off straight away. It's pretty easy. Equals V, and you can see VLOOKUP here. So just double click on it, choose the number that you're going to look up in the other spreadsheet. So that's the number, or data, any sort of data. It doesn't have to be a number. We put a comma, we go to the next sheet, we highlight the 4 columns, we put another comma, and the first lot of data we wanted to get was the rate. So that would be the third column, so that's 1, 2, 3. So the third column, and you always choose false here. Just put a bracket in the end, and voila, you got Glenn's first, the first person on the thing. It's $50.45. We can check that by looking at 1007. If we look over here, 1007, he gets $50.45. So let's just double click on this corner and highlights all the rest. We can then do the next one. So equals VLOOKUP. Pretty straightforward, isn't it? Again, we just go to the lookup value, then we go to the table or the spreadsheet, highlight the 4 columns again. We can put a comma in, and next column we're looking for is this one, so it's 1, 2, 3, 4. Always go for false, bracket, done. And again, let's see, 1007. 1007 does 38 hours, so that's correct. Double click on the corner, and all those are done for you. And finally, equals VLOOKUP, and we choose 1007. We go down to here, choose the 4 columns. I don't really have to choose the 4 columns, but I'm going to. Just, it's a good practice to get into, so you can change the data if you change the number of the column that you're going to use if you have to. We'll put the column number, so that's column 1, column 2. Put false in there always for exact match, and bracket. And if we look at Glenn 1007, he's on 100,000. That's correct. So let's and that's all there really is to it. So if we were to mix it up maybe. Let's just mix this up so you can see that the formulas will work no matter what. So I'll just change the order, and you can see that Glenn 1007 still on 100,000, still getting 50, 45 and $38 an hour. Okay, thanks for listening. If you like this video, there's a few more to come, so please like it and subscribe. Thank you.